Today we'll talk about how can you disable comments on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on profile. Then you come to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings, click on it. Then come to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down. Click here on notification filter, just click on it. Come to this list here. Come here to comments, click in this sign on this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean comments notifications disable with us now. Go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.